What's going on, everyone? Today I am coming at you from Shelby American out in Las Vegas, Nevada, and they have done something very special for me. I swung by here and I saw this thing out in the corner of my eye in the shop being worked on, and because of the content I make regarding Shelbys, how many Shelbys we cover. Speaking of Shelby, we have a Gen 3 F-150, newer one right over there, and then the two-door version right there, which will be reviewed later on. But we cover all the Shelbys on the channel, and you know that that's my favorite thing, is Mustangs and Shelbys. Absolutely love them. But today we have something super special. We have the GT500 SE through Shelby American. So this car starts off life as a regular GT500, and then the customer had brought it into them saying, hey, I would like the wide body and I would like that Shelby magic thrown at my car. And as you can see, this isn't any stock car. It has new hood with new hood vents. It has way bigger fenders. It's a wide body kit, and it's a molded wide body kit, so it looks insane. That's not everything that's done to the car, if I'm being honest with you. There's so much. So I think it's best that we just take a look around the car and we walk around it and we go by piece what is different with the Shelby GT500 SE, and I'll show you guys everything that Shelby has done to it. Starting us off on the very front end of the car, this is actually the carbon fiber track pack GT500. So it's not the regular GT500 that you see all over the internet. This is the carbon fiber track pack, the extra special version, and the extra special signature edition because it's an SE. So you get that badging right there on the front of the grill. Starting off with the next thing is we have our hood pins that come on the GT500. However, this has Shelby written on it. As you can see, that is engraved on there. And this is a brand new hood too for the GT500. What they do is they throw on a new custom carbon fiber hood on the car, and they paint it to be perfectly matched with the grabber line paint that's already existing on the paint. So then that way, instead of cutting up the old hood, now you have a very clean looking new carbon fiber venting right over here. And then you have the OEM looking painted black vents over here that I'm pretty sure are carbon fiber too. And then you have the carbon fiber ones right here too. So that gives another aggressive look. That's something that every Shelby owner desires, is having that extra hood venting. It looks so good. I want to do it to my Shelby after looking at that. But coming around to the side of the vehicle, you may be asking, it's a GT500 carbon fiber track pack. Where's the carbon fiber wheels? I'll get into that. But starting us off, we have our painted calipers over here, which complements the car very well. I don't know why Ford has never painted calipers from the start on all of their GT500s, GT350s, stuff like that, and why they're just plain plastic. But painted caliper to match the grabber line, you would think it would be overkill, but it looks perfect. It looks so perfect. So we do not have our carbon fiber wheels anymore because they will not be big enough to fit those massive molded wide body fenders back there. We have these custom 7-spoke Shelby wheels fitting a 305 in the front on a Michelin Pilot Sport 4S with our massive Brembo brakes obviously up front. And then as you can see right in the back, this is where you can really tell the wide body kit comes to depth and life. It looks very clean since it's molded and it doesn't have that bolts on everywhere. But as you can see, this is the panel going down here, and you have this piece coming out that is so fat. I can fit my hand through there, and you can see that tire, which is a really cool design element for the car, and it gives that depth of that wide body kit coming out over here. And then you also have signature edition text with the Shelby written down there running along the side, which is another cool attention to detail. And then you have the painted caliper over here. The parking brake isn't painted, it's kind of just left there to not be seen. And then as you can see, we have this rock guard right over here is carbon fiber now. Standing back here, I think you guys can tell the width. I wish we did have another GT500 here side by side so you guys could tell how much wider this is. It is so much wider, but I really hope that pictures will do it justice right here. And then on the back of the vehicle, now we have our Shelby text right here instead of our GT500 snake badge that we would normally have. And then this comes from factory, which is our carbon fiber wing, which is such a massive wing that fits this car really well. And from factory, I feel like on the normal GT500, it does look really massive, but looking at it with the wide body kit on, it kind of just looks perfect. It looks like it really fits in well. So this also has a painted stripes, if you weren't able to tell. And then this is where it's really necessary to not have those carbon fiber wheels on the back here, which is because it's so wide. So in case you're able to tell, that's a 345 right there that this thing is fitting on the back. 345, 30, 20. So it's a 20-inch wheel all around. And now we will go up into the interior of the Shelby GT500 SE edition. And wow, right off the bat you can tell reupholstered seats, Carroll Shelby signature right over here in green. And then you have the green going all around the seat right over here. So you have all those hints of green here with the green stitching. And then it's fully leather too. You don't have that partially Alcantara leather seat anymore in the GT500. And now the coolest part is sitting right behind us. So let's go ahead and take a seat inside the Shelby GT500. And yeah, I'm used to getting into it, because I'm fortunate enough to have the Recaro seats on my GT350. So if you do want more Shelby content, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, because I'm always bringing that heat. But these seats feel awesome, and being leather, they actually feel very great. It gives that nice classy feel to it, and it has that nice upgrade of, I paid this much more for the car, and now I have this sense of kind of luxury and attention to detail that I've always wanted. So now we have this roll bar right here. I'm so glad Shelby incorporated this. Paint match roll bar, matches the seats, matches the paint, matches the roll bar. Everything matches together so well. And then you kind of look out there and you see the green hood, which is so cool. And then you have the OEM Alcantara wheel right over here with super nice feeling paddle shifters. I've yet to drive a GT500, which is surprising, but coming soon I will drive the GT500. Carbon fiber dash, which comes like that from factory. Then you have your GT500 chassis number right over there, but then you have your special Shelby American number, which is your own special number that they give you to register you into the database of all the Shelby vehicles. So this is registered as a Shelby vehicle with the number that it is. So you have that plaque over there, which is very special, Shelby American, and then it shows out your number right over there. And then everything else here with the infotainment system is all regular from the factory. So that's as far as we're gonna get with the added things out on the interior. It's a very nice view from the cockpit here, and looking out back, we have that massive wing, and it's so cool that we have that Shelby text right at the top right there. You just see in your rear view Shelby, just reminds you got a Shelby. All right, so now underneath the hood of the Shelby GT500 SE, as you can see right over here, your coolant expansion tank is no longer that plastic look. It's super clean. It's metal design now, which has the Shelby text right over there. And boom, I know you guys saw it. That painted blower right over there in grabber line, it is matched perfectly up with the paint, which gives another really cool design element, like I've been talking about throughout the whole entire car. The paint accents matching on the calipers, the roll cage, the seats, the blower now. Right over here, this is all dry carbon, this whole entire hood, with a new hood strut right over here to support it, because it is so light, shaving off 10 pounds off the front end of the vehicle. As you can see, that's all the carbon fiber weave that you get everywhere, with the hood vents right over there that are all the carbon fiber too. And then there's hood vents underneath there, but that's also the rain tray to prevent rain from going directly on the engine when it is raining outside. And the rear seat delete it has on it comes stock from factory, so they just threw in that roll cage, which they will throw in on the non-carbon fiber track pack GT500. And these things are fully customizable, so you can go on their website, check it out. All of the pricing for this car, I can throw up some info right up here on screen, but there's lots of pricing details for the Shelby GT500. There's lots of customization options, so you are able to make this literally your spec that you would want from Shelby American, because that's the shop they are out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. You come out here, you want something done to your car, they will do it. They will satisfy you. And seeing the quality control, the work that has gone into this, the attention to detail is so good. It's so good. So I am very excited for this customer to get his car. This is absolutely insane. But if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys help me out and hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, because I'm always bringing that Shelby content with my GT350, with my friends GT500s, and all of our crazy cars that we get together and roll out with. So subscribe to the channel. It'll help me out a lot, and it'll help you out a lot because you'll find some great information. Stay tuned for a video on that coming up very soon. Browse the channel for any other content because I have a lot up on there. Links are down below in the description if you would like to Shelby out. Links will be down below in the description for all the details with the Shelby GT500 SE if you want to go through Shelby American in Las Vegas and get it done. And I have some friends who have gone through Shelby American to get their cars wide bodied. Actually, a friend, which will probably be in the channel in the future, but their experience has been nothing but great because these people they really are awesome. Like, I literally walked in yesterday and I was like, yo, can I review it? And here I am the next morning checking out the car. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Call the cops, boy. AK all day, body start to drop, boy. Virginia beat down, Suddy the street down. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy. They're trying to lock us up, but we ain't gonna stop, boy.